chicken and spinach cannelloni. So we're starting with our bechamel and 2 melted butter. I'm going to whisk in some flour. Then we're going to add the warm milk, whisk away. And now we let the roux do its magic and just thicken up the white sauce. Now we're going to add a little bit of nutmeg, about 1/8 of a teaspoon, a little bit of white pepper, of course a little bit of salt, over the shoulder for luck. Let her thicken up and whisk it every once in a while. We throw our squares in. Grab your tongs. We liberally salt the water because it's seasoning the pasta itself as it cooks. And we're going to cook these about 6 minutes. And every once in a while, just make sure they're not sticking together. You got to give them a little nudge. So we're going to add a little bit of this sauce, about 3/4 of a cup, to a, wait for it, rotisserie chicken, people. That's what I have in that bowl. 1 rotisserie chicken shredded up to make all that cannelloni. This couldn't be simpler or more silly. It's a great lunch on weekends too because it cooks up so quickly. I throw in a little parm. I mix this together and we're going to add some spinach to it that we're going to make together in 1 second. All I do is defrost it, wring out all of the excess liquid, little olive oil to coat the bottom of the pan, add a little lemon zest to the oil, swirl. I told you my pan is like from heck. Look at that already. Oh, but everything smells like lemon now. All the essential oils went in there, and now I'm using the larger side of the grater to add some garlic. And we're going to scatter in all of our spinach, salt and pepper. I want red pepper, actually. I really like a little red pepper in this. All we want to do is heat this through. Here's an important point. As soon as the pasta comes out, you need to put it in between kitchen towels. Clean kitchen towels, and you can use parchment if you don't have a lot of thin kitchen towels. But you need to stretch it out so you can just grab it and wrap and roll as you go. Our spinach, look, super hot. Steam coming out of the pan. Lovely. Absorbed all the flavor of that little bit of stock. And now we add it to the chicken. With the bechamel, with the parm. Let's put a little more parm, a little more cheese in there. And then mix this all together. Okay guys, so the pasta is nice and tender. I drained it, and we're just wrapping and rolling each square into our casserole dish. 16 little squares. If you had half sheets of lasagna, flat lasagna, you would be able to get 8 out of 1 chicken, okay? And you're gonna have to really kind of tuck them in there. Make them nice and tight. We take the rest of our bechamel, just our white sauce, and distribute it over the top of all of the cannelloni. But wait, it gets even better. Over each roll of pasta, we dot a little passata. A little more parm on top. Help everybody brown and get along. And then just pop it into the oven until it's brown and bubbly. We have this gorgeousness that ends up looking like the Italian flag because we sprinkle a little parsley down the middle.